Sup, I'm back. You know who it is. Recently, I've been scrolling through Reddit, maybe saving some post for later. I don't know, I don't know what this is supposed to be, but yeah. Anyway, I found this video with a very interesting title. Says a lot about it. Let's go. See a cat going inside of the billiard table, the pool table, I don't know, call it, goes in, has a little bit of trouble, stroke, but baby kitten to the rescue, strikes her. Yeah, get in there really good. Uses her like a plunge. What the fuck? That is one nice kitten to have, I guess. So, and I've always wondered, like, what the fuck? Like, she goes in clearly without a problem. Like, cats can squeeze through everything, like the size of the head. If the head can squeeze through it, like the cat also can. And but like you see her head again, like she even managed to turn around in that fucking thing. So I've always wondered, what the fuck does the inside of a pool table, billiard table look like? And I've just googled it for you. You don't need to. And like here, just Google Images. Google Images. Yeah, you can see this. I don't know if that's a particular one we saw right there, but how the fuck do they do that? Like, fucking cats. I'm proud cat owner as well. I love my little baby girl Pucker, but uh, that's just scary. I gotta like put up some extra security measures. No, no, yeah, she stay. She love me. Yeah. All right, I guess that's all I wanted to talk about today. See you sometime. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Doubt it. Thanks.